School IT departments face many challenges keeping students, faculty, and staff safe with peace of mind. You must deal with an ever-increasing number of devices connecting to the network, while countering sophisticated threats like ransomware. You support cost-effective digital learning while complying with regulations like FERPA, CIPA, and COPPA. Protection can feel like a high-stake game of whack-a-mole, played with limited budgets and resources. To achieve an ideal security posture, it's essential to adopt a proactive approach that puts the right tools in the right place. Fortinet understands this need and offers solutions built around security-first thinking. Fortinet Security Fabric simplifies K-12 networks by replacing multiple point solutions with single pane of glass, end-to-end protection across network, cloud, endpoint, application security, and more. Powerful EDR can detect threats on your organization's endpoints and respond. Automation for tasks like reporting eases compliance headaches and saves precious resources. Fortinet is vendor agnostic, allowing school districts to leverage existing technology investments while benefiting from an integrated security architecture. Fortinet makes security-first thinking easier on the budget, too. We offer multiple E-rate eligible solutions plus free education-focused security awareness training to all U.S. K-12 districts. Our grant support program also helps uncover and obtain additional funding. Fortinet's proven security and networking solutions secure schools around the world. We'll help you put the right tools in the right places in a system you can manage and afford. Visit Fortinet.com to learn more.